Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download NocoDB templates for quick database apps. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the NocoDB official website. Once on the home page, locate the menu bar at the top of the page. Hover over the templates option to reveal a drop-down menu. Click on NocoDB templates from the drop-down options. You will be directed to a page showcasing various templates available for download. Browse through the list of templates to find one that suits your needs. Click on the template thumbnail or title to view more details. Take a moment to read the description and check the features of the template. If you decide to proceed, locate the download button on the page. Click on the download button to start the downloading process. The file will typically download in a zip format. Once the download is complete, navigate to your Downloads folder. Locate the downloaded zip file and right-click on it. Select Extract All from the context menu to unzip the file. Choose a destination folder where you want to store the extracted files. Click Extract to complete the process. Now, open NocoDB on your local or cloud setup. In NocoDB, click on the Import option from the dashboard. Select the option to import a template from your local files. Browse to the folder where you extracted the template files. Select the appropriate file and click Open. Follow any on-screen prompts to finalize the import process. Once imported, you can start customizing your new database app. Explore the various features the template offers to enhance your project. Congratulations! You have successfully downloaded and imported a NocoDB template for quick database apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.